but we all fall into this, and you'll recognize it in yourself when I go through it. So in situations where two people have a disagreement or a disappointment, so Amy and I'm mad at Amy because of something that happened. Amy, I'm mad at you about something that happened, but I'm not going to talk to you about it. I'm going to talk to Kim about it. Can you believe what Amy did? Right? Do you know this? So we go to the second person for reasons, right? Validation is one. What else?
It's safer.
Safer.
You want someone to agree with you.
Yes, you want someone to agree with you. Yeah. To feel sorry for you,
Yes.
right? Avoid confrontation, right? So there's all those reasons why when something happens, the victim looks for a rescuer, right? And very often, they will keep looking until they find someone who promises to fix it. Okay? And so when they find that person to fix it, this person says, well, Amy shouldn't have done that. I'm going to go talk to Amy. So this person goes and talks to Amy, and Amy doesn't know where this is coming from, right? And so Amy says, what the hell? And then Amy then goes, well, geez, Dr. John, I don't know what happened here. She just came at me like something else. It was crazy, right? And so now the rescuer becomes the perpetrator. We've got a new victim and a new rescuer, and round and round and round we go. Is this dental offices, right? So